Hi, Mark. Here, Friday, April the 3rd, abbreviated version of the regular update, market update being Good Friday. Most markets are closed today. The only markets that are open for us, being all the forex pairs are open and Bitcoin is open. However, why I want to do the report anyway, just to remind those of you that are there and are trading today, is that at 8:30 Eastern, that's 12:30 GMT, is the non-farm payroll. Very significant jobs numbers coming out of the US. And last month was a real shock to the downside. It was minus 92,000 jobs, which was a shock and unexpected. The consensus for this morning's report, and that'll be covering March's job numbers, new jobs created, is 60,000. Pretty much that's the consensus. Consensus ranges between minus 25,000 right up to 120,000. But anything close to 60, between 50 and 70, I'd say, between that consensus, I don't think will have much effect on the market. And the fact that the markets are closed today also will result in a muted effect following the numbers. I think the fact that most markets are closed makes for an illiquid trading day, and therefore any surprises, particularly in my opinion to the downside, that could have a marked effect on some of the major currency pairs, which at the moment are still showing weak US dollar. So we'll see if anything changes today. The only other asset that I wanted to bring up is I was analyzing Bitcoin. Bitcoin never closes 24/7, so there is trading today. However, you can see very, very flat, like a doji candlestick. But what I did draw in is my descending trend line, which does make for a pretty classic descending triangle, which is bearish, meaning any moves to the upside maybe get, as you've seen here, capped to the upside by this descending trend line. And when it does come back down, if it comes up, tests, it comes back down and tests the support level at 65,500, bearish and possibly eventually the support can give way. That's on the daily. I zoom in to the 4 hour, and there you see that pattern. And again, there is the support looking to get tested or broken. And even if I go as short a time frame as an hour, there you're seeing it. So something to watch for. As I say, very limited trading today. However, Bitcoin being open, perhaps a surprise result, maybe trigger something in Bitcoin, but I'm certainly looking at this with an overall bearish view for now. Watch for those of you that are trading for the non-farm payroll, and let's see if that does have some kind of an effect on the forex pairs, with everything else pretty much being closed. And happy Easter to everybody.